Once we have a project, we can build packages. Depending on our situation, we can submit builds in many different ways. Historically first, and probably the easiest to demonstrate, is building a source RPM package that is hosted somewhere on the internet. Depending on your package, the build can take from couple of minutes to couple of hours. I'm going to cut the recording so it looks like it was finished within seconds. If you have a source RPM package on your computer, don't worry, you can upload it directly to Copr. In both cases, you can submit either a source RPM package or a spec file. If the spec file uses a fully qualified URLs for its sources, they will be automatically downloaded during the build. If your spec file is maintained in a Git repository, maybe even with the upstream source code, you can build an RPM package directly from the Git repository. This specific repository contains multiple spec files, so I need to explicitly specify its name. Even more complicated setups can be made to work. This Git repository is a so-called monorepo. It contains multiple projects. We can specify a subdirectory for the project we want. It is also managed by Tito. It is very simple to build a package from Fedora DistGit. However, we are not limited to the Fedora DistGit. We can easily specify a different DistGit instance. One of the things that you may want to do is submitting a build from your fork within a DistGit instance. It is also possible to submit builds directly from the third-party, language-specific repositories such as PyPI or RubyGems, but that will be discussed in a separate video. If any of these methods aren't suitable for your situation, there is a bulletproof custom method which gets you covered. It will also be discussed in a separate video.